Hey guys, so before this video actually begins, you will see that I'm looking at my phone in the video, of course, to show you guys, the portfolio. But the issue is this didn't actually record, so I have no footage to show you guys. So what I will do is obviously show you guys maybe a screenshot of what I am looking at, but it's not going to be exactly how it used to be. I do apologize for the inconvenience, but I do hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. Take care. Hey guys, my name is Sully and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another portfolio update. So this time last month I showed you guys my portfolio and I had £3,000 invested. Now this month I have about £3,500 invested now. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what's changed, the growth, what company I'm still holding on to. Also now I'm actually gaining roughly around £1 per dividends that I actually earn. So I'm going to show you guys just how much I'm invested in each company for me to be earning this. And now I have about 31 companies in total invested in, but I do plan on reducing that by 2, so I'm not too sure, but I will show you guys later in the video exactly what changes I do plan on making and the 2 companies that I plan on getting rid of. So currently in the month of July, the big change that's happened to my portfolio is that I've now started investing £40 every single week from £20 every single week. So this is a massive change, because this just means that I'm going to save a lot more money much quicker than anticipated. So this time next year my total portfolio should be around £5,500 minimum. Hopefully that is the plan. This time next year it should be on 5.5, but we will just have to see exactly what happens. But hopefully I do plan on getting this to maybe 7.5, maybe 8k this time next year. So right here we can see that I'm currently earning £106 every single year. So this isn't actually too bad. I mean, it is low, I say this every time, it is still a beginner's portfolio, but I'm earning £106 every single year. So this means I'm earning £8.85 every single month. Those who have been subscribed to the channel for a while, you would know that my aim has always been to get to £8 every single month to pay my phone bill, to at least start paying up some bills. And now I'm slowly getting up to that £9 range now. So eventually I'll be able to pay even more bills. Maybe the next bill I'm planning to pay will probably be like Apple Music or something. Yes, I do pay for Apple Music just because, music is just part of my day to day. Of course, it'll be an expense that I'll, try to get rid of, but, for now I'm still paying Apple Music. So yeah. So here we can actually see exactly how much I'm earning every single month. Well, this will be next year. So in January, I'm earning about £7.98, which is sort of on the low side, but we can see that eventually, in April, October, December, I'm earning £17. Like, that is a lot of money, to be fair, in a month. It's like an extra, couple hours of pay. And March as well, which is also my birthday, I'm going to be earning, a larger amount. June is also, a month where I'm going to earn a lot. So this is currently how much I'm earning every single month. There has been a decent growth in the portfolio, in the past month. So initially I was on about, £3,122 invested, and now, it's gone up to 3.3. But of course, with my returns as well, that has gone up to 3.5, which is, that sounds better. That sounds good now. So hopefully, hopefully we can continue this trend. So in the past year, we can also see that it's been positive. The past 3 months, it's also been positive. At this moment in time, I do have £9.58 to potentially invest. And the good thing about this is this £9.58 has literally been from all my dividends income. Like, that is really hard to believe. So obviously, you get the 50 pence, £1 here and there and everything, but really and truly you can see that's clearly added up for me to buy, a potential, maybe not a full share, but I can still buy a decent amount of shares to any of the companies I'm currently holding. So things are actually working as planned. The portfolio is actually growing quite well, so that is kind of a good thing to see. But now let's take a look at the top 5 allocations now that I have for this month. So it's still going to be Relative Income, Kimberly-Clark, AbbVie, Coke, and Chevron. These are my top 5. The good thing about this is that my aim is to not go above 10% on any of these stocks. So obviously that is looking good at the moment. The highest I do have is Relative Income, which is at 6.8, which is really good. I like Relative Income. I'm trying to increase the amount of money I make every single month, so I have invested a lot more into Relative Income. Kimberly-Clark is also another one that went down eventually, after I put a lot of money into it. But again, it's still not something I'm really worried about, because I'd recently got paid dividends from them, and you guys will actually see how much that was shortly. But now I have 31 investments in total. I do plan on reducing this, and I'm not too sure of what to get rid of, but this is what I think. So currently I have the S&P 500 here and the Vanguard All High Yield Dividends as well. So these two are, you know, stocks that I'm currently holding, but I'm not too sure if I should sell or not because I don't really invest much into them, because I prefer investing into something with a higher risk. So I'm not too sure if I should really just get rid of these stocks. You know, I do have one share in both, you know, roughly one share in both. They do pay decent dividends. I mean, to be fair, not really, because if we take a look at the history, so yesterday I earned 58 pence from this stock, and you know, the last time I got paid before that was, you know, April, then January. So, you know, literally, I mean, yeah, I haven't invested much, but you can see I'm not really earning much from them anyway. So I'm not too sure if I should get rid of these stocks and just invest into, you know, companies with a higher risk and higher yield and everything like that, so that way I can earn more from, you know, the like £120 I'll potentially gain from this. So if you guys can just let me know down in the comments below just what exactly you think I should do. Should I sell? Should I just hold on to them? Should I keep them? The S&P 500, for example, isn't a dividend stock in any way, shape or form. They did pay me dividends of 18 pence, but again, it's not really worth it. It isn't a dividend stock, which I do understand. So, you know, please let me know down in the comments below and I will read every single comment. So now here we can see my recent transactions. So these are like the, you know, the stocks I recently bought and sold. So here, you know, most of them has been bought. So I recently bought DTE, right? So DT is an interesting one because 2 days ago or 3 days ago, their price reduced significantly. This wasn't something really concerning, but the percentage was huge. So I did some research into this to find out exactly why, of course. So the interesting thing that I found out was they did some sort of a split, which isn't fully official in the sense that, you know, it's not like what Tesla did, you know, a few months back. But what happened is they invested into, I think, a new company or something along that line. I'm not really too sure, but you guys can actually just do some research on that to find out exactly what happened. And besides from that, you know, I bought AbbVie, I bought 1OK, I bought Coca-Cola and Leg, and just a few other stocks that I bought. Nothing too major, but of course you can see that since I've started investing £40, I literally, you know, put the whole 40 into a stock rather than just splitting it. So I also bought 0.5 shares of AbbVie as well, just to increase my share in that. And what I'm also trying to do is actually increase the amount of money I gain in certain months as well. So sometimes I just invest into companies that I believe, you know, cool, if their share went down or if the market isn't doing too well for them and they pay dividends in the month of January, then I'll buy more into that company. And now the longer waited dividends. So here we can see that I gained 58 pence from Vanguard high yield dividends. I also gained 18 from S&P 500. Coke paid me 86 pence. Kimberly Clark, which is my second highest, you know, investment, paid me £1.60. UJI paid me 64. Guild Science paid me 88. Duke paid me 59. Pemba paid me 41. Realty Income paid me 70. So here we can see that these amounts are becoming a lot more significant than they used to be. So here they're getting close to that pound range now. We can see that even, you know, Realty Income is paying me 70 pence now, compared to a few months back when I was earning just 13p and, you know, 1 pence and 7 pence and just 9 pence. So this is a massive difference. That is all. So this has just been the month of July. Nothing too crazy has happened. The market has been pretty stable. You know, there hasn't been any crazy news or anything crazy like that, but someone did ask for a portfolio update and here it is. I thought I'll just bring it to you. If you guys do want to continue seeing this, then be sure to please drop a like just to show your support and just to let me know that you are enjoying the content. Also, if you guys would like to earn any share worth up to £200, then be sure to use the link down below so you can gain a share worth of £200. You can then sell that and invest into, you know, the shares you want, or you can just take the money out and keep it for yourself. But now that's a wrap. If you guys do want to get into dividend investing, you want to know exactly what to look for, you know, what stocks are good for you, what stocks are bad for you, just everything you need to know to get into dividend investing, then be sure to click on this video right here and I'll see you guys in the next one.